Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change language on the Capcut PC. So if you want to change the language settings on your Capcut PC, here you can directly do it on when you are in the project. For example, you can just go to the menu and here tap on the settings, and you'll easily spot the language tab. So click on that, and here you'll see lots of languages options that you can select it if you want to change it to. For example, I'm going to change it into Bahasa Indonesia here. Just change or click on the language and then tap on save. And in here you need to restart the Capcut PC app to let the changes happen. You can click on restart and just wait in here until the Capcut restarting, and you guys can see here all the language setting has been changed into the language that I chose before. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.